So today, one of my old friends is dropping off parts that he had left over from his FRS build. He said he'd cut me a deal, so let's see what kind of deal we get.
What?
Manny.
I don't want to be recorded.
Why not?
You want this one or no?
Of course I do. Dude, I cannot believe how much I just got all this stuff for. I feel like I robbed him, but I kept asking him if he wanted to take more money, and he told me no. And that's why that's fucking wild. So we're gonna try to bring back the shine of this carbon fiber hood. Now, although my friend Manny didn't want to be recorded, I still have to give him a shout out because he gave me some crazy deals, and I'm gonna discuss with you exactly what he brought for me. And the coilovers are just sitting over here. Those are TN Flex Zs, which go for like around 950 bucks or something like that. I got them for 100 bucks. And I'm not even joking. That's actually how much I got them for. And then the hood was all faded. You can see it. It was all faded out, but we clear coated it and it looks really, really good. Got that for $250. That's a Sabon hood. Goes for around $1,300. So, I mean, your boy's scoring deals. So thanks, Manny. Shout out. Love you, bro. You're the man. Thank you. What a day it's been. I am completely filthy. I was rewiring the entire harness because the person that did it prior kind of just messed it up. I also got the new front bumper on. I got all the stuff for it. So hopefully this one will be okay. Now, the last thing that he dropped off are some wheels. And I couldn't contain myself. I already started sanding them. Here they are. Okay, so let's recap because the deal was actually crazy. He brought me wheels for 300 bucks, carbon fiber hood for 200, and coilovers for 100 bucks. I want to lower my car, and I don't want to lower it on those 18s that it has. So I picked up those 17s, and we're going to lower it on those. Now, the reason I don't want to lower them on 18s is because I don't want to camber these wheels, and they're kind of big, and they're also ugly and curb rash. So I'll show you in a bit. Just look at that. Yeah. Now, with all that being said, I'm gonna start on the wheels, and we're gonna go ahead and get this thing going. Okay, so I got 4 wheels on 4 stands, finishing up some stuff that I needed to sand on that. But after that, shooting primer like I did on this one, then primer sealer, and some paint, and clear coat. Let's get it going. One thing that people fail to understand is that paint is 90% prep. If you don't prep anything right, it will not come out right. Anybody can pick up a gun and just shoot paint, or a spray can and shoot paint. But if you don't prep it right, it won't look right. These aren't even gonna be the wheels that I keep on my car. These are just wheels that I'm gonna put on it so I can lower it. That doesn't mean that I can't prep these properly and paint them properly. So that's what I'm gonna do. Compressor's on, it's kind of loud, but whatever. Primer sealer in the gun. We're gonna go ahead and shoot these things. So this is the primer sealer. It's a nice dark tone compared to the primer. The sealer is gonna really help that blue stay a darker tone. So let's get it, almost done. Now I'm looking on the computer to see if I can find anything close to a MAC blue. And the closest thing that I can find is this BMW color called Mystic Blue. So I already have it loaded up. I'm gonna go ahead and mix it. Let's go. Now I'm gonna shoot clear coat, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Well, tomorrow for me, next week for you guys. You guys have to stay tuned for that. Putting the coilovers on, putting the wheels on, putting the car fiber hood on. Like, comment, subscribe, tell me about your day, tell me about your car. What are you driving? Let me know. Peace.